ask this thing here where your money is.
Same accusations he spat at me, your lordship. Desperate words from a desperate man.
You have proofs of these matters?
You have my word on it.
Oh, I think it will take more than that.
And you have the nature of this man here. If your lordship cannot tell what is true from what is not, then I fear his judgment is beyond repair.
Hang him from the bridge.
McGregor! Set them free! Back.